Hopefully there's no background noise. This is the Bottle Baby. Simple little concept. Optional binky. Don't need it. But you can put it on there if necessary. As you can see, what it does is it can hold a bottle. You see the bottle is full to where, you normally would have it for some milk for a baby. Not too young though, not too young. Pop it in there like that. Boom. It'd be the all-in-one. I'm sorry about that noise if you could hear it. Tip it upside down. I mean, it can take... I'm not holding very tight. I mean, I got it by the leg, so you know I'm not squeezing it right here. It's a cheap Dollar Tree bottle. We just did it for concept. Anyway, pull that out. Boom. Done. Little dude, little chick needs a snack. You see we got some snack cups. Just slide it right inside of its head like that. Boom, holds the snacks. And still easy unscrew, easy access. As you can see the snacks right there. Screwed on. Nice back to normal. Snacks don't come flying out. I mean, you see it's well in there. Don't want a snack? Pull it out. Let's say you got a kid that's in the sippy cup stage right now. Alright? We got a sippy cup. Look here, it's full. I'll show you how full it is, so I'm not trying to scam you or anything. It's about right there. Sorry about the mess in the background. We're currently in the process of moving. Alright, so let's get this back on there. Your kid's in the sippy cup stage. Okay? Take the My Bottle Baby. Take it. Put it in the little hole right there. Boom. You got yourself the Bottle Baby sippy cup. It doesn't come out. It's in there. You can take it, beat it up against the door like that. Still ain't coming out. It's very good, very durable, handmade. There's 3 forms of insulation. You have the sock, which is minimal insulation. You have foam insulation on the inside. And obviously the stuffing from the bear as another part of insulation. So it's been tested. 8 hours, stuff stays cold. 12 hours, 12 hours stuff stays warm. So it's definitely work. Washer friendly, dryer friendly. It can be beat up, thrown around like a regular toy. They can do it all. Now, this is the catcher though, okay? Now, if you're a mother or just a parent in general and you have a kid, a young child, you know how much they love their toy. They got to have the toy in this hand. They got the bottle in this hand. And that they just can't let go of it both, but they want both. That's where this comes in. Okay? You stick the bottle in there, they can have both at the same time. Now, I'm not going to drink out of the bottle, but you know what I mean. So they can have the bottle at the same time. They love their little toy. And this all started off of when my little brother come running in the kitchen when me and my parents were having a conversation about something miscellaneous off the wall, just joking around. He comes in the kitchen. He has his favorite little stuffed animal, which he called his bee. And he had his bottle in both hands like this. Drinking one, holding the other like this, real tight. And that's when it hit me. I was like, they don't have nothing like this. We need to do something like this. We need to make this. This needs to be a thing. So I brought it up to my mother. My mother said, I know how to stitch. I know how to do all that stuff. I said, that's perfect. Let's make it a thing. Let's do it. So I went in the closet in the bedroom, grabbed a stuffed animal, took a knife. I just took it, jabbed it in his head, and ripped it open like that. Don't want to sound too mean, but it was just a rough idea at the time. This was back in 2012. And what happened was we stuck his bottle in there. It was perfect. It worked. He loved it. Absolutely loved it. Now, we didn't do it on his toy because, that was his, his real pride and joy. So we tried it on the other one, but it was an absolute hit with him. We sold it, or, yeah, we sold it to a few people. They absolutely loved it. People that have seen it absolutely loved it. I've shown it to NFL players. I've shown it to a rapper. There's been some big names that have seen it, not too big. I'm not talking like A-list celebrities or anything like that. I tried to put it out there, get the name out there, but it hasn't really caught ground yet. So this is what it is. The My Bottle Baby. Our business is called Mother Stuffers.